Afternoon, it's Brentley here from Huckabones. Got a neat video for you today right from N&N Trailers on site, on location of one of their facilities. We're going to show you a little bit about them and their plants. Along with, we had a problem with a customer's trailer and they had a solution for us, so we brought that along with us. Stay tuned to see both. All right, so before we get into the tour and showing you a little bit behind the scenes of N&N, a customer had a problem with the trailer. We talked to N&N and they did notify us that there was an actual problem, minor, but they wanted to fix it. And what we really wanted to see is them say that, and they did. So it's not only building relationships with the customers, but supplying you with a good product is what we really, go for at Huckabones. And we've been proud of our service and our parts department and the Huckabones name for 75 years. And we've linked on with N&N about 5 years ago. And this year they're celebrating 30 years in business, and it's a family business just like us. So one, that's what we look for in a product when we want to give you a product to purchase. And the two is the service and what backs it that makes that company. And what really what was refreshing in this is when we had a problem, they were there to solve it. And it wasn't, hung out to dry. It was solved quick. They said, bring it down to us. We're going to fix it. While you're here, let's give you a tour of our brand new facility that we just built in 2024. And we're going to show you the other manufacturing spots we have for previous and give you a little background on what N&N is so that you have more confidence and success in selling our products. And we also get to meet the dealer that's selling our products too. So, all right, so before we go on this plant tour and show you a little bit more about N&N, it was one thing I wanted to highlight where, we've had problems in the past, let's say with any manufacturer, and maybe it's an outsourced part and they ship that to you and you can fix that on site. But this was a manufacturing just defect on something that they missed on quality control. And they went back to it and said, yep, we've missed it, but we want to fix it. And what that meant was bring the trailer back to us. Again, it's a galvanized product. It's not something that you can just grind away, weld in something, bolt in something and fix and have the customer still be happy with his end product that he bought a galvanized trailer and it's galvanized dip through and through. So what they said is, let's change out those parts completely and put all new in as it should have been that we missed. And that was their fix. And it was just walking in today, I didn't know what the fix was going to be. They just said, yes, we'll fix it. And then after talking to their supervisors and their warranty and their product control and everything that way, it was actually refreshing to see. And it was just something that I wanted to dwell on. They went above and beyond maybe where they had to. Again, yes, we had to truck it back to the manufacturers. And that's something that, has to be done sometimes. But that's the proper way to fix a galvanized product, is right from the start and not just piecing it together. So I'm really glad that was their answer. And this was how Huckabones and N&N could help that customer out with their product and that they'll be happy with it in the end. All right, so now on to the tour part, a little sneak peek for all of our viewers and all of our customers and maybe future customers to see what is in this product and why you should buy N&N. Want to start first of a few things we learned of the company. Again, started in 1996, so this year is 30 years, and it's a family-owned business. Mom and dad are still up in the office, and there's 3 sons that are running this show. We actually got a tour of both other sites. They have 3 sites now. This is their newest facility that they've just built in 2023, and this is an assembly only and head office. The other 2 manufacturing spots that we went to are manufacturing, so welding, fabricating, all that kind of stuff before they send it out for galvanized dipping. So it was a neat process to see the raw steel metal being, constructed into a trailer, or what looked like a trailer that we sell without all the shininess to it. And then finding out that they're then sending that to galvanized dipping, and then it comes here for assembly. So it's a neat process on, a final product that we see in our yard and how it all shapes forms. So the little bit more of the history or about the company, let's say, not the history itself, but again, in mentioning that there's 3 buildings, they've grown over these years and it hasn't been pick up and move. They're all within 25 minutes of each other, and it's been, having local people working for them for years and years and not selling off something that they've constructed and built up and everything. They've expanded by actually building another location or buying another location and keep expanding that way. So the second location that we went to, which was their previous manufacturing and assembly line, you know, it was a little bit smaller than this building. Behind us, we got 45,000 square feet, and what they were doing under that one roof was everything. So it's just made everything more efficient, and that's what I've really taken away from today. The efficiency level that they've gone to and the productivity level that they're going to is going to be great in the future, and this has been one big step ahead. So when we went into the building, we saw the efficiencies right away, right down to punch cards to just locker rooms and cafeteria area, and just making it a great working atmosphere is what they're really working towards. And I'd asked Brian, I said, on our trip and on our tours around the 3 buildings and that, you know, how many local people are you employing? And he said 130 now between the 3 buildings and the aspect of all that they do under their own roof. Now they reach out to other welders or other truck drivers and all that stuff that expands past N&N's, you know, company name, but they still value them as family, and they look at those manufacturers and truckers and everything that way as part of their company as well. And that's not including those numbers. So they become a huge company, you know. And I asked them, I said, what are you working with dealers? And they said, we've expanded to about 20 now in the US and probably 70 in Canada. They're selling 7,000 trailers a year, and they want to expand that. They want to, you know, do more. And this facility here is going to allow them to. What this was and what it's going to be is, again, 45,000 square feet of just assembly. So this is finished product coming back and being assembled, ready for shipment, and all the loading area for shipment, and just more room is what they needed. So you'll see as we walk through the yard, you know, I mean, there's lots of galvanized product that hasn't been deckled and hasn't been tired up and everything that way. And you're gonna see then the finished product is sitting overstacked, ready for a dealership's loads, and it's all organized. This was the one big thing I took away from today was efficiency, and the organization here is just top notch. I've been to 7 different trailer manufacturing companies, and this is the one that is the best organized, and I'm looking at efficiency of where they are now and where they want to be. It's amazing on what they're trying to do, and they're going to eventually bring it all in under one roof, one area, and that's going to be the big efficiency part of bringing those 2 other factories here in time. That's the goal of everything on this property. They've bought a beautiful big property here. They want to expand the assembly so that they can assemble as fast as what the welders are doing in other locations, and then they're going to bring the manufacturing here. So it's going to be a stepping process as any company grows, but it's just refreshing to see they've already got the goals in mind, they've already got the site set, and they know how they're going to get there. And it's just a matter of time of getting there. So working into the back shop, from seeing what was going on in the, you know, I mean, in the employee lounge and in that kind of area, we went through the bays, and they had 4 bays, and each were specific to what type of trailer was going to go through there. So those workers are working on the same thing day in, day out. And again, that's to improve efficiency. It's the same thing. It's repetitive, but then they get good at it. You know what I mean? Each bay, all the components were right there for the employee. If it had to be something installed on that trailer, then it's there for them. And it was the same outside. As if that bay 1 needs all these parts, there's a bay 1 outside that forklift driver can bring those parts in when needed or whatever. So the efficiency is there of not looking around the yard, not looking around the shop for components that you need for your build. You know, in that, the efficiency's sake on crawling on the ground and, you know what I mean, putting a light on a trailer. No, it was up in the air. You know what I mean? The person was working around the trailer or under the trailer. You know what I mean? It was working at a nice level height that, you know what I mean, that employee is comfortable, and that employee is doing great work because it's just easier for them to do. So it was a very clean warehouse. We can't show you all the footage from in there, again, just for privacy and, you know, competitive acts and everything that way. They are one of the top trailer manufacturers, and we're going to try and keep them there with their competitive advantages they have. So we're not going to show all of that stuff, but just describing a little bit of what I saw was a very clean and efficient assembly bays, and there was 4 of them. It wasn't just one, and, you know what I mean, they cleaned up because we were coming. It wasn't that. This was a regular work day. and everyone was doing what they were supposed to be doing and cleaning up after themselves how they were supposed to clean up. So it was just a really refreshing look on what you think a dirty steel product in you know, manufacturing and welding and all that stuff can be. And you know what I mean, honestly, it was spotless. So it's just kudos to the ownership, the management, and the employees on doing what they do best, but also taking the time to be proud in what they do. Just to wrap up today's video, like we always do, is just a little bit of a summary of what we did. But at the same point, I want to let you know that we did several videos while we were here in the yard. Nice experience that we got here. Wanted to share it with you. Check out the other videos on, we've done some items that we've never stocked before, did some items that I've never seen before, which was a neat aspect of coming. You always see some little sneak peeks of what's happening next at manufacturing, so that's a neat aspect there. But it was just neat to see on how much they're actually doing, because we're one of their 90 dealers, let's say, and we know what we do, but we know that there's dealers that do more and there's dealers that do less. So it's just something to, it's nice to see the background of the company that we're working with, and then also bring that to you, the consumer or the customer, and what you're getting from not only our dealership, but from the manufacturer you're buying and spending your money on and investing in. And you know what I mean, we've said it for 5 years now of having N&N trailers. They're a top trailer, they're a premium trailer, they're, you know what I mean, we're gonna call them one of the best. And you know what I mean, it's not because we sell it, but I've seen it here today in proof of the backside of the company. And that's something that not a lot of us get to see. And it's really refreshing on seeing that in backing the company that we already thought was great. They went a level up today, and they're even better than I thought they were. So it just was a great experience for me, a great fix for a customer of ours, that we all came together and worked out a solution for that. And you know what I mean, we all took something home from this. So we're gonna wrap up today with, I hope you like this video. I hope you like this little tour of N&N and seeing the inside of this great product. Check out the other videos for some other content from this tour. We had a lot of fun today and did a bunch of videos while we were waiting. But yeah, click that button below if you liked today's video, and if there's any questions, leave them in the comments below.